Hi guys, welcome back to my first video, and today I'll be showing you my squishies and my slimes. Just before we start, please could you subscribe and press the thumbs up button, please. Thank you. So let's get started with this. I will be getting my big slime box here. Don't mind the noises in the background, as long as it's my sister and just me moving all the boxes. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll start with squishies. So first I've got this donut, and it's pretty squishy, pretty slow rising. Yeah, and I'll be showing you the blush panda bun. This one's my sister's. I'll be doing another video about squishies, and yeah. And there's a donut. I don't think this is that squishy. It's green with sparkles. They're not gold, but squish. There we go. Squish, squish. And then this one is not squishy at all, but it's like dog paw or puppy paw or cat paw, anything you want to call it, like that. Yeah. Now we're on to the slime. So now I'll be showing you the coffee slime that I've got. It's huge, very slimy. And I will be doing contests with my sister, so stay tuned for that. And turn on the notifications. I'll be doing shout outs as well. There's one shout out, it's called Joshua Twig, and it's Zillion. That's the first shout out. First two, and then I'll be doing one every week. And then we got, and then put this one away. And now we've got to push this box. It's a little bit sticky, but it is stretchy, so yeah, I'll do one room tour. Yeah. I was laughing because my sister was looking at me then. And next slime is not slime. It was a putty, but I've added kinetic sand to it. So it's green, like a turquoise blue. Yeah, I shall show you. And then put this into the pot. We'll show this one. This has gone hard. Now we've got a blue sparkly slime. This is called a mermaid slime, coffee slime, and kinetic sand slime. And then we've got, I'll tell you about the squishies. Panda blush one, I don't know, it's the same as this one. So yeah, and then I've got this one, and then now I'm going to show you this one now. Pretty cool indeed. And I will be giving away a slime to Joshua Twig because he was the first shout out. So every shout out they'll be getting something like a slime or anything. So yeah, the next video will be making slime. And I've already made some, it's in the freezer now. Freezer fridge, and then yeah, I'll keep you updated when it's done. So yeah, that's all I can say today. So please subscribe, put the thumbs up button on, please, thank you, turn the notifications on. Bye.